My title for this video is Devin AI or Devil AI. So trying to understand what is this, because it's creating a lot of noise in market now since yesterday, what I understand. Yeah, and I really divided into five categories, like what is Devin AI, how does it work, understanding from the video. I'll take one video which is basically a demo video, and this third one is pros, cons, impact, and then impact on software engineering. So there are a lot of people are also there, including me, which are predicting what could be happen. I'm sure everyone is right and everyone have correct, but let me put my views as well. So what is Devin AI? Let me go through with this first. So let me see that video, what is there in the, which is basically is more hype, like this one.
A VPN, short for virtual private network, is a privacy protection tool that has quickly become...
Skip it.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, builds a whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that I can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement. Reruns the code with the debugging print statement, runs into an unexpected error.
So yeah, if I'll go a little bit here and there, yes. So now it's showing that it's a companion of, or it's a first hand agent who will write the code, who will create the environment. Everything is in this picture. It's showing that you will write a prompt, and then based on prompt it will create its own environment, it will write the code and everything it will done. It will infect its own browser, it shows the error so that you can see the log and fix the errors. And in fact it's also can be handle the API keys and everything very carefully. Good, I understand. What I understand, it's like this. Yeah, and what are the prawns? What I see is, yes, uh first of all, that it's start with prompt, and the prompts has to be multiple, could be multiple. The users prompt engineering is one of the area where I feel that people or the new generation or us has to learn more how the we have to write a good prompt, so that it could be a list of prompts, right? And it is basically, there are other videos also I saw, there's one by one another prompts is there. So until unless people will not write or the developer will not be able to write the correct prompt, even if it's a business manager or somewhere, that there'll be a code, would be a bugs, it will be there. And if we already saw that chat gpts, if we even generate the code or something, images, it's all like images are here and there correct or not correct. So it's basically, it's a garbage. Sometimes it's create garbage, and next time it also read that garbage whenever, because current generation is creating a garbage kind of that. It's, there is an elephant with the two head, there is a one leg is like very heavy or something like that, there are two heads and all ears are so big like this. It's this, and the images are so good. So obviously next chat gpt kind of, or next generation model will come, and that will read those images as well, and it will create a mess, and it will be there. So yeah, that is there. So one thing is that if person is writing a good code or good prompts, if someone is developer is writing a good prompt, or whomsoever the user will write a good prompt, he'll get a good code. But it is the standalone right now, and it is not that it will, I cannot see that it is writing code in money language. It is still writing code in python or typescript, javascripts. So I cannot see java here, I cannot see other c++. But if you'll go to the market, there are a lot of languages in the java, and means it's if you'll go to the market, the lot of softwares is in the other languages and legacy systems basically. Yeah, so it is good for the new softwares, new upcoming startups where the people have to write the code, new code. It is good, I understand. Second part is means it's only good for those who is writing. I don't know whether it will, if you can give it a, you can ask him that this is the code, it's already lying up in this hard drive or somewhere, just go and check and correct the code or fix this bug. You'll give a Jira ticket and it will fix the bug. I really don't know, it is not shown in that video. So whether it will be able to pick up the bugs from there and can fix it, it's not demonstrated. So I'm not sure. The people are, people have their own choices, own softwares, that software will capable of integrated with all those things or not. Yeah, but not now might be, but in future it will be. I believe it can be integrated with Jira, it can be integrated with other softwares of similar kind of thing, and it can Azure DevOps and all these things. So yeah, this is beginning, and I think still people, those who are learning generative AI and AI is engineering and all, I think still have some 1 and 1.5 year, 1 year, when until unless this will not get mature, still have something time to stabilize the things. So this is pros, and cons is basically, it's good. Basically it's creating a lot of jobs for the AI prompt, but still there is a proofreading required after writing a code, it is there. The next thing is cons. As I told earlier, there is no Java code. I cannot see old legacy systems, it can handle it or not, nobody knows. There are still lot of things which have to cover. It's demonstrate 1 minute, I cannot understand it is there, but yeah, in future it could be there, but currently not there. So yeah, and like a production support kind of a thing is there. Production support ticket, can it be integrated with the production support tickets, like as and when the user raise a ticket, it go and fix that, it understand, okay, there is a ticket, I can fix it, and it fix it and deploy it. Could it not be possible that it fix it wrongly and deploy it and it create a big mess? So companies will, at the first place, company will take hand on hand, so that it's writing this cost saving is there. The other thing is it really a cost saving? I don't know, because the companies and corporate will not take that way it so easily, because they need a proofs, and they'll need some R&D, and then they need lot of understanding that whether how it creates and how it should not be. It can reach to the UAT or development level, but I cannot see that it reach to the production level. And it cannot replace the legacy systems. It cannot read that code from the existing application code and write its own code. So these are the cons, what I feel. Impact on software engineer, yes, impact on software engineer, that writing up a faster code, because all the companies are doing this, and I think most of the consultant companies are trying to find out that how they can get the developers code to be write correctly. So yeah, that those developers are coming, they have to come up as a proofreader whether the code whatever is written is correct or not, and it is improved. Maybe it will mature in future and it will have that impact, and it will could create a problem, but right now I cannot see. That's the things what I feel, and that's the guys, I feel that it's valuable or not, I'm not sure. Let's see for the future. And is it really a Devin or Devil AI? I really don't know. Yeah, and I think most of us as well. Thanks for time. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Yep, thank you.